Hi, it's Thursday, May 14th. We're doing Thursday math column. Please make sure you put your first and last name in. Let's look at our first problem. It says Ella's mom is making fish sticks to feed 5 children. If each child wants 6 fish sticks, how many does Ella's mom need to make? So I'm going to read the problem like I did, and then I'm going to look for my numbers, 5 and 6. I know I need to use those two numbers. So I see that it says there's 5 children, so I'll get the picture of 5 children in my mind, and each child wants 6 fish sticks. All right, so let's see that as a picture. My numbers 5 and 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children, and I'm going to give each of them 6. So I can see the number 6 appears 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I have the number 6 5 times or 5 6 times. I can either count by 6s. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. Or I can count by 5s 6 times. So I can say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 6 times 5 or 5 times 6 is 30. So my answer is 30 to problem number 1. And a shout out to Ella there. Hi Ella, hope you're doing good. Problem number 2 says find the area of the rectangle below. All right, so I have a rectangle and it measures 12 inches in length and 7 inches in width. So I remember that to find area, I can multiply length times width. Or I can count the array, the 12 by 7 array. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 going up. So I can count all these little squares all on the inside, or I can multiply 12 times 7. Now, if I don't know my 12s and I don't maybe remember 7 times 12, let's break that 12 up. When I counted, when I got right here, I was at number 10. So if I break my 12 up into 10 and 2, so this is 10 and this is 2, I can do 10 times 7 and 2 times 7. So I know my 10s. If I have 10 7 times, I have 70. So 70 would be right here. And then this is 1 2 by 7. I know 7 2 times is 14. So if I put together 70 plus 14, I get a total of 84 square inches. So the total area will be 84 square inches for that problem. Problem number 3 says, which of the following shows a shaded model of 5/8? Right, so I look at my number, 5/8 is a fraction, and then the key word is shaded there. Remember with fractions, the denominator or the total goes on the bottom, denominator down. So I need 8 total squares, and then my top number for this one will be shaded. It could be shaded or unshaded. They want the shaded. So I need 5 shaded out of a total of 8. So let's see which one fits that. So the first one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has 6. No, I need a total of 8. So no, that won't work. Option 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that has a total of 8. So that's a possibility. Let's look at option 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That also has 8 total. So that leaves it down to option 2 or 3. Now I need how many are shaded. So on option 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shaded. Let's double check on 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaded. All right. So I need to match 5 shaded out of 8. So option number 2 is the correct answer. The last problem says Lewis spends 3 hours reading. 2 hours were spent reading mystery books and 1 hour was spent reading fantasy. What fraction of the 3 hours did Lewis spend reading mystery books? All right, so I need to use my numbers 3, 2, and 1, or at least look at those numbers, and there's a 3 right there, and figure out what I do with them. I also see there's a number line. So they also want the answer as a fraction, all right? So they want to know about mystery books. So I'm going to write down my information. 2 hours were spent with mystery, 1 hour for fantasy. So if Lewis reads 2 plus 1, he reads a total of 3 hours. Remember, in a fraction, the total goes on the bottom. Total is on the bottom or the down. So 3 is the total hours. We know that he spends 2 hours reading mystery. Mystery. All right, so our answer will be 2/3 of the time that he spent reading the mystery books. So let's look at our fraction bar. So 2 hours, mystery, and our answer will be 2/3 of the time. 2 hours on mystery, so 2/3 is the correct answer. Please make sure you submit it at the bottom. Toggle over if you want a copy of your answers, and then make sure you click the blue Done button so that I know you are all finished with your Thursday math columns. And have a thankful Thursday.